welcome back to our channel. In case you're new to our channel, I'm Renee.
And I'm Rochelle.
So this is the R family. Today we'll be making some Nickelodeon slime. Yeah, so let's just make some slime. So, yeah, I'm just going to take everything out.
Be needing that. We know how to make slime.
Actually, I want to use some sugar.
She used the white glue. Well, we're just going to use white glue.
Not clear because we want to make some neon and slime and there's paint. So I'm pretty sure we'll make the clear glue not clear.
Yeah.
So there's activator. This activator we tried.
It's very strong.
And it doesn't work on any other like types of like glue or stuff. It only works on the glue they give us.
Very beautiful glitter. So now let's start. Each of us is going to have a bowl.
I'm going to open the thing.
Okay. And we're going to use these.
Who wants to go first? You can go first if you want. Do you want to go
Okay.
first?
So let's just do
15. It says measure 15 milliliters of white glue. It used 15. Okay, just 15 milliliters.
Yeah. 15. Gonna go over there. After we're gonna use the popsicle stick to scrape off the little extras. It's gonna be hard. I'm not using one layer.
I want to use
Let's see this
pink.
now.
You can't copy me. Do you want blue or green?
I want blue.
Okay. I want pink.
Almost there, guys.
You don't know what this is. This is not borax because it says it's borax free. What is it?
Okay, now I'm done. That's 15 milliliters. That's a lot, right? We usually make lesser like in our mini slime. Ooh, that is a lot. You're not getting my extra glue.
Not so a lot.
Yeah, but then it fills up all the bottom of that plate. And the plate is very big.
Want me to go get some water for you? Because it does say measure 30 milliliters of water.
Okay, sure.
After we'll be doing the same thing, but I'll be doing mine off camera.
I'm going to be using blue. I wanted pink, but then she didn't let me copy you. But then it's okay. I'm going to use the back of it this time. To do the color. There we go. And now,
This is a lot of water.
That is a lot of water. I'm adding color.
Okay. But it is a lot of water. I don't know if they'll
I'm just gonna dump it like they said. And wait, before doing that, I'm just gonna use the other side and mix it a little bit so the glue can also come off.
I'm just gonna wait.
Just gonna mix.
Can I sit down?
Oh my gosh, that is a lot of water.
I'm just gonna do the same thing, but you could just record her. Where's the milliliter?
I bet I'm gonna add some more.
Where's 15?
Color. Nothing happened.
Okay.
Okay, nothing happened. Now I bet I need a lot more color. Like, look at that. Look at that, guys. That is very little color.
Yeah.
And I want it to be this color. I think I took too much. There.
That's not too much. I think that's perfect. Or a little bit less.
Mix. Wish it turns into a little bit darker color. I have a feeling it's gonna be like a milkshake. See, like, so watery. But it's still glue, see? Because if it was water, you know, it won't come up. So it's nice and gluey, see? It's also nice and sticky. Yeah. See? Still a lot of glue. I think I will add just a little bit more color.
This is a
Just
lot of
in
water.
case.
I think I said that before. I'm going to add the color first.
Now I think that's too much.
I don't think it is.
Okay, Mix, mix, mix. I just very wanted to be that color right there, but then when it blends in, it turns lighter. How sad. But at least we get a little darker blue. See, look, guys.
I'm just gonna mix this. I have the color pink.
Pink. That's so beautiful. Wait, what? There's such thing as a spoon?
Yeah. Why is mine forming? I didn't even add activator.
Because you didn't add water.
I did. Oh yeah, I did add water. I forgot. This is a lot. Are you sure this thing is right?
Yeah, I'm sure. This is on ingredients, right?
Yeah.
Are you reading it wrong?
No, I'm not. It's right.
But
It
hers
says
is turning out better than mine. Look.
now it says to mix until all of them is like not like stringy and stuff.
Like this?
Yeah, yours is good. You
Okay.
can go ahead and add some activator. You need 15 milliliters of that, I think. No, 5 milliliters.
Okay, I'm gonna try 5. Ooh, I don't really see it because
This is a lot of
covered.
slime.
why do I think I see 75? Guys, I'm just gonna go wash this.
Because it's kind of dirty.
Be right back.
So, we're going to activate this off camera. Okay? So, see you later. So, we activated our slime off camera. We put 5 milliliters of slime activator.
And it turned out pretty good. Like, there was this, literally, just like this little bit of glue and the rest is water and it still worked. Like,
It's really
so
jiggly
magical.
though.
Yeah, like,
It's
look.
really jiggly.
Like, jiggly. Hers is more jiggly. I think she added more water. But then mine is more like, you know, like it stays down. Hers, like, stays up. Like, when they poke it, it goes up. Like, you know, too sticky.
Yeah.
She added more than 5 milliliters.
I need more activator.
I told ya.
So I just added a little bit more activator. Probably like 1 milliliter. So I really recommend this kit because it's really good.
I think I added too much and she added too less activator. Look. Kind
It's
of
actually really good this time.
like
It's
kind of
over
overactive. Mine is kind of overactive.
Mine's just kind of under.
Like, we're opposites. Like, I have blue, she has pink. I very want to add a little bit of pink. You know why? I want some purple.
Cool.
So I'm going to go get some pink.
Before that, I'm just gonna add some blue. I just said I'm gonna add some blue. Just a little.
This time I'm using the spoon. Here. Last time
Just a little bit, okay? Because you don't want like exactly purple.
Yes, I do.
Oh, okay then. Exactly purple it is. I just want mine to be a little bit. This is not like the slime you can
look
make
at
with
that little
Elmer's.
pieces.
Like Elmer's, if you make slime with Elmer's glue, it's like not so jiggly.
Slime does not mix, guys.
Oh, it looks so beautiful.
I love purple. Well then, because my favorite color is magenta, and magenta is type of purple, so I like purple.
Yeah.
This is more like a violet, but still very pretty.
So I think I really love this kit. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to us and like this video.
And
Press the bell button. I'm trying to get things off so you could be notified whenever we make a video.
Yeah.
So
So
bye guys.